Today we're replacing all the front bulbs on this Mini Countryman. So we've got the headlight, indicator, side light and the fog light. And then on the wing we've got the side repeater. Unfortunately, on the Mini Countryman, it's just as easy to remove the entire headlight as it is to get to the bulbs. So I'm going to do this on the passenger side just so that I can give you a better view in the headlight unit to see what we're doing when we're changing the bulbs. But otherwise, this is the access for the indicator and this is the access for the side light and Foglight bulb. So we've got 4 10mm bolts to remove the complete headlight unit. Disconnect the headlight wiring connector. So once the bolts are removed, the headlight can be lifted up and out of position. And then underneath, on the inside, we've got the connection for the headlight washer. So in this top cap here, we've got the headlight bulb, which is both the dipped and main beam. Twist anti-clockwise just slightly. And this is the bulb unit. So we'll disconnect this metal connector from it on the side. And then when refitting, you can either fit the bulb first, which makes it a bit easier to get it into position, or you could refit the connector first, whatever you find easiest. For the indicator bulb, I can show you both on and off the car. So we've got this cover here, which would normally be behind this cover here. And then down in the opening, anti-clockwise to pull the bulb out. And then the bulb is a bayonet cap, which you just press down and turn anti-clockwise to remove. And I'm going to replace this because the colouring is peeling off. And it's worth replacing these because when the light output is no longer very amber, it does become an MOT failure. So it's worth staying on top of them. Just clockwise to lock back into position, and same with the cover. So we're on the driver's side now. We've got the wheel pointing away from the car, which gives us more access to these covers without jacking the car up. It wasn't actually fitted correctly, I don't think. This is the hole for the indicator. And as you can see, I'll change this one too, that's burning off. So new bulb. And you notice I was wearing a glove when I was handling the bulb, and this is because the oils in your hands and your skin can cause the bulbs to fail prematurely. The oil that you get on the bulb heats up and could even cause the paint peeling like you saw there. On the driver's side of the car, it seems to be clockwise to unlock and anti-clockwise to refit, and opposite way around on the driver's side. So now on to the Sidelight and Foglight. I've already forgotten what I said. Clockwise to remove on the driver's side, anti-clockwise on the passenger side. So top one we've got is the Sidelight, this lower one is the Foglight. In order to remove the Foglight, we need to remove the connector first, then anti-clockwise H8 bulb, clockwise to lock into position. And then above that, the Sidelight bulb, anti-clockwise to pull out, and then we've just got a wedge bulb in the end. I'm going to replace these while I'm here. And finally, for the front of the vehicle, we've got the side repeater, which, if you've got quite small hands, is quite easily accessed on the rear. I do believe these are aftermarket. You'll see the clips can be pushed out from the rear. Just there. I think, yeah, originally, if you were doing this, then you would have a wedge bulb in there, and that would twist and lock into the fitting. But obviously, this is an aftermarket LED that's been fitted. Thanks for watching. I do hope that this video has helped. If it has, please do leave a comment. for more videos on this car and many others, please do check out my channel. Thank you.